Hey there, welcome to my channel. I will be showing you how to write cover letter using Grammarly. Need help writing a killer cover letter? Grammarly's got your back. First install the Grammarly app, then open Grammarly and click New Document to start writing. For inspiration, copy a cover letter template into Grammarly and replace the text with your information, including the job title, company's name, and a strong personalized greetings. Start with a strong introduction, highlight your relevant skills and experiences, and explain why you are a perfect fit for the job. Conclude by reiterating your enthusiasm and thanking the reader. Grammarly will provide real-time suggestions to improve your grammar, spelling, style, and it can also detect plagiarism. Review and apply these suggestions to ensure your cover letter is polished and error-free. Good luck with your applications. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching. Happy writing.